Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As per usual, it's so good to have you guys here with me for another video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some products that were sent to me by the brand Curl Daddy. This brand is fairly new to me. I have never really heard of them, but the packaging is super cute and I'm excited to try out the products. Here I have the Nourish Me Leave-In Conditioner, and this is going to be the first product that I'm going to be trying to sort of prime my curls for the gel. I love that this company has a gel. It seems like lately a lot of brands that have been reaching out to me have a lot of leave-ins and lack a gel, and I know particularly for me and my hair type, I'm gonna need a gel. So I'm really excited so far to try these products out in my wash day. My hair is fully washed and pretty much ready for product application. I'm just gonna talk a little bit to you guys about these products. The Nourish Me Leave-In Conditioner contains aloe vera, sage, and witch hazel. I have used a lot of products containing aloe vera, but frankly, I've never really tried any natural hair products containing sage and witch hazel. The Hold Me Cream Gel has jojoba oil and sunflower seed extract. I usually really like jojoba oil, especially as a sealant, so I like that this gel contains jojoba oil. I also haven't really tried a whole lot of products containing sunflower seeds, so this should be pretty fun. The way that I wanted to structure this review, because I do plan on reviewing more natural hair products here in the future, are based on the product's scent, the texture / application of the product, and of course at the very end, my final result. If you guys are interested in seeing more natural hair product reviews, definitely make sure to hop in the comments and let me know. But in the meantime, let's just go right ahead and hop into this. So if you guys are interested in seeing my review of these products by Curl Daddy, keep watching this video. So I went ahead and sectioned my hair into some smaller sections. That is the way that I like to apply products. We're gonna go in with this leave-in conditioner and let's just see what is going to happen here. Okay, so the first thing that I am noticing about this leave-in conditioner is that it's very light. It doesn't really contain a whole lot of slip. This would probably be an awesome curl refreshing product because I don't really like to work with super heavy curl reactivators in a product refresh, so I think that this would be of better use as a curl refresher. But nonetheless, we're gonna just keep on going. The product does smell really nice. It has like a nice warm smell to it. It's not very overpowering. For my people that are not into heavily scented products, this would probably be a really good product for you. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Hold Me Cream Gel. So this smells beautiful. Let me just show you guys what the gel is looking like. It's very thick and concentrated from what I can tell, so maybe it's going to supplement the lightness of that leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna be using about this much of the gel because again, that leave-in is really light and I wanna get as much definition from this product as possible. Now, I can tell that maybe I didn't even need to use quite that much gel, which is always a good thing. And you guys, this has such a nice, fruity, almost like a guava type of a scent to it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and use my defining brush here. Okay, Curl Daddy, I see you. This is cute. This is really cute. I also noticed that this gel is giving my curls quite a bit of shine, at least in their wet state. We will go ahead and see how it dries down. I'm gonna continue with the same exact product application on the rest of my hair. Now I'm going in with the gel. Guys, I am really liking the texture of this gel. It really is quite concentrated and it just is running through my strand very nicely. So just about halfway through my hair in this product application, and y'all, so far I'm really liking these products. I sort of thought that because of the consistency of the leave-in conditioner that I just wasn't really sure about what these results were really going to be like because of the consistency of this leave-in, but after applying this gel and playing in this gel, these kind of pair perfectly together. Guys, we're coming down to the last stretch here. Just gonna pull some of that baby hair forward, not particularly because I'm like big on baby hair, more so because I have a giant forehead. Now that I have all this product applied to my hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and allow this to air dry, and I'm gonna come back and show you my final results. See you soon. All right guys, so I'm back and these are my dry down results. I really didn't break up my curls too much. I just went in with a little bit of oil in my hands and just kind of ran it through my curls, but again, I didn't really pick my curls apart. Y'all, I really liked these products. I feel as though these would be a wonderful light hold product for hair types like mine, and maybe a little bit more of a stronger hold, especially the gel for softer textures. I am not sure if I would really recommend this to my type 4 hair girls because it just wasn't like super moisturizing as it sprayed out of the bottle, but that's just me. However, I do think that the gel between these two products would be a little bit more compatible for more hair types. So really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, make sure to hit the like button down below and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. If you guys tried these Curl Daddy products, I would love to know your opinions. And until next time guys, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So take care of yourself.